Want to level up your ClickUp skills? Today I'll show you exactly how to use calculations and formula fields inside ClickUp, empowering you to automate number crunching, save time, and eliminate those pesky manual mistakes. By the end, you'll confidently set up formulas to total, subtract, multiply, or analyze your project numbers live in your workspace. Let's dive in. First up, head to your ClickUp workspace. This is your hub where all your tasks and projects live. If you're new to ClickUp, just log in and select the workspace or folder you want to experiment with. I recommend picking a test task so you can play around without worrying about affecting actual project data. Now choose a specific task. Think of a task like an entry in a spreadsheet or maybe a card on your Kanban board. This will act as your playground for formulas. Click into the task to open up the details. Next, look towards the right side of your columns. You'll spot a little plus sign or an Add Column option. Click on it. This opens up a menu where you can add different types of fields to your tasks, super handy for customizing project views. Take your time here, don't worry if you need a moment to find the correct spot. Let's build our demo setup. First, add 2 number columns. These will hold the values you want to calculate, a bit like setting up 2 cells in Excel for your math. You can label them something clear like hours worked and hourly rate, or simply num1 and num2 for testing. This helps you and your teammates know at a glance what each number means. With your 2 number fields ready, add a formula column. This is the magic sauce, the place where math happens automatically. The formula column lets you combine numbers, perform calculations, or even reference values across tasks. Think of it as your own mini calculator built right into each task. Now click on the new formula column to set up your calculation. You'll need to assign your 2 numbers, num1 and num2, to an operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. For example, maybe you're calculating total cost, num1 times num2, or summing hours worked on a project. Pick the operation that fits your scenario. The interface is intuitive. Just select the fields and the math operation you want. If you're ever unsure, there's usually a quick hint or example right in ClickUp to guide you. And here comes the satisfying part. Hit the Calculate button to lock in your formula. At this point, you might pause and double-check your setup. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the formula just right. ClickUp's formula builder is forgiving, and you can always edit the calculation later. Next, type in values for your number columns. Pop in sample numbers for num1 and num2, maybe 5 and 20 for instance. As soon as you enter these, ClickUp does the math on the spot. The result will automatically appear in your formula column, sparing you any manual calculations or switching between apps. It's instant and precise, and that's it. You've just created an automatic, real-time calculation in ClickUp. Whether you're tracking hours, estimating costs, or measuring goals, formulas are a fantastic way to streamline your workflow. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more tutorials on ClickUp and other productivity tools, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.